Hello, little friends. Welcome to another vibrant and engaging adventure in our animated world. Today, we're going to explore Shapeville, a place filled with lively colors and fascinating shapes. Are you ready? Here we are in Shapeville, where colors and shapes come to life in our animated world. Look at that colorful rainbow and those magical floating shapes. Let me introduce you to our animated friends, Red the rectangle, Blue the circle, and Yellow the triangle. They're going on a fantastic adventure today. Red the rectangle loved to play hide and seek. He had 4 sides, 2 short and 2 long. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now meet Blue the circle. Blue loved to roll and spin around in our animated world. He had no corners, just one big round side. How cool is that? And last but not least, say hello to Yellow the triangle. Yellow loved to climb and explore. He had 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's count them together in our animated world. 1, 2, 3. Our animated friends have a colorful challenge today. They need to find the magical colors hidden around Shapeville to make a beautiful rainbow. Are you ready to help them? Excitedly. Red, blue, and yellow need your help to find the colors in our animated world. We'll start with Red searching for the color. Pauses for children to respond. Blue? That's right. Where could Blue be hiding? Red discovers Blue hiding behind a bush in our animated world. Great job, little detectives. Now let's move on to Yellow searching for the color. Yellow spots something red in the sky in our animated world. It's a balloon. Amazing teamwork, everyone. And now, Blue is on a mission to find Yellow in our animated world. Look at those colorful flowers. Could Yellow be there? Yes. Blue found Yellow in the field of flowers. Fantastic teamwork, everyone. Now that we have red, blue, and yellow, we can create a magical rainbow in our animated world. Red, blue, yellow, come together and let's make a beautiful rainbow. As our friends come together, something magical happens in our animated world. The colors mix and create a breathtaking rainbow in the sky. Red, blue, and yellow dance joyfully beneath their colorful creation. What an incredible adventure we had in Shapeville today in our animated world. We learned about colors and shapes while helping our friends create a magical rainbow. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Waving. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey in our animated world. Until next time, keep exploring and learning, my little friends. Goodbye.